Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 6, leçon Y. In this video, we'll see together one pronoun in negative imperative sentences, and the pronoun will be les in that case. Okay, so let's see a few sentences to see exactly how to put and where to put this pronoun. So we can start right now. Don't give them, ne les donne pas. Ne les donne pas. Ne les donne pas. Don't take them, ne les prends pas. Ne les prends pas. Ne les prends pas. Don't learn them, ne les apprends pas. Ne les apprends pas. Ne les apprends pas. Don't write them, ne les écris pas. Ne les écris pas. Ne les écris pas. Don't listen to them, ne les écoute pas. Ne les écoute pas. Ne les écoute pas. Don't invite them, ne les invite pas. Ne les invite pas. Ne les invite pas. Don't look at them, ne les regarde pas. Ne les regarde pas. Ne les regarde pas. Don't thank them, ne les remercie pas. Ne les remercie pas. Ne les remercie pas. Don't call them, ne les appelle pas. Ne les appelle pas. Ne les appelle pas. Don't put them, ne les mets pas. Ne les mets pas. Ne les mets pas. So before letting you go, keep in mind that it's always possible to find more videos on the YouTube channel, and it's youtube.com/imagier. So you can subscribe and definitely you can like the videos. It would be so great. Thank you very much in advance. If you want more content and if you want all the videos, all the audios, all the things that I've been producing so far, the platform is frenchforme.net. Okay, and then if you are only interested in audio or PDF for the lessons, then it's another place, and it's frenchforus.net. And last but not least, if you need to go faster, if you want some Skype lessons, it's possible. Let's try to find a convenient time for you and for me. And so just send me something through frenchforyou.net. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Au revoir et à bientôt.